need the throat. Today's agenda is getting a Christmas card. Oh, don't slap me. With Twister and little Mo back there. You're gonna love it. No, okay. Little Santa. Please stay in your suit. Just keep your suit on for like 30 seconds. That's all I'm asking. How handsome you look as Santa. Let's get to the tree. Quick. No. Should we just do hats? Come on, it looks nice. Okay, new plan. Okay, look what I have. Wow. Maybe I could Photoshop the other one in. Day 1 didn't go great, I'm gonna be honest. Day 2, got my sweater back on. We're gonna try this again and I'm confident we'll get it today. Let's go. Excuse me. Guys, no, get off the tree. Hey, what the? Don't break his leg. Oh, he has another ornament. Oh, hi. Things are going great, as you can see. Change of plans again. All ornaments now need to be moved to the top of the tree to avoid more breakage and heartbreak. This is what your tree looks like when you have 2 demon kittens living in your home. If you're wondering where all the ornaments went, you only have yourself to blame. When I come back for taking the picture, don't touch anything. This is where we're at today. Day 3, not gonna lie, morale's kind of low. So I'm gonna have a quick talking to with the little ones. Twist, we just need one. No, don't shush me. Hey, that was rude. I know deep down you're a good girl. You don't need to act like this all the time. You can open all your Christmas presents early. Ow! I'm gonna treat it. Ow, gosh, no. Twister. Come on. All right, Twist, this is. Come on, no, please. Twister. Jeez. Merry Christmas. Day 4. It's gonna be great. There's not even ornaments down there. Please stop messing with the tree. We need another plan.